Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to talk about Unit 6, Lesson 1. Our title is Telling Tales. Let's begin with our revision. Number 1. In 30 years' time, NASA space to send tourists to other planets. So the right answer is will be starting. Number 2. In 2050, temperatures on Earth's space. Yes, the right answer is will be rising. Number 2. Number 3. By 2033, guest space at the new hotel. So the right answer is will have stayed. Number 4. In 2050, everybody space in groups in their neighborhood to keep fit. So the right answer is will be exercising. The last one, number 5. By 2150, the rainforest space and there won't be enough oxygen for everyone. Yes, the right answer is will have disappeared. Let's complete our new words. Let's begin. Number 1, announce. Announce. Announce means to make something known publicly and officially. To make something known publicly and officially. For example, the teacher or the head teacher announced that he would be retiring the following year. Again, the head teacher announced that he would be retiring the following year. Number 2, drown. Drown means to die in water because it's not possible to breathe or to make someone die this way. Let's complete. For example, two people drowned when a yacht hit some rocks yesterday. Number 3, overjoyed. Overjoyed means to be very happy. Again, to be very happy. To feel that you are very happy about something. For example, we were overjoyed at the news that we had won the £1,000,000 prize. Again, we were overjoyed at the news that we had won the £1,000,000 prize. Number 4, cooperate. Cooperate means to support a statement or idea by providing new evidence to this idea. Again, to support a statement or idea by providing new evidence for this idea. So, for example, the police the police called the suspected's mother to corroborate his story. Let's complete. Number 5, convince. Convince means to succeed in making someone believe something. Again, convince means to succeed in making someone believe something. For example, it took me a long time to convince them that I was right. Again, it took me a long time to convince them that I was right. Number 6, precious. Precious means of great value, something loved very much by a lot of people. For example, my father gave my mother a gold ring set with precious stones for her birthday. Again, my father gave my mother a gold ring set with precious stones for her birthday. Let's complete allege. Allege means to say that someone has had something wrong without having any proof that this is true. Again, to say that something or someone has done something wrong without having any proof that his or this is true. For example, the accused denied stealing the car, alleging that his brother had committed the crime. So, let's complete. Imposter. Again, number 8, imposter. Imposter is the person who pretends to be someone else in order to trick people. Again, it's a very important word. A person, imposter, is a person who pretends to be someone else in order to trick people. For example, the imposter rescued a large part of the family fortune before he was uncovered. Let's complete. We have two words, they are similar, trail and trial. This word is trail. Trail means a pass through the country. But in our lesson, we have a word trial. Trial. Again, Trial. Trial means a court case. Again, it means a court case. It's so important. This word is so important. For example, the murderer was arrested last night. His trial will be held next March. Let's complete number 10. Witness. Witness as a noun. Witness is a person who sees something happen and who can tell other people about it later. Again, who is the witness? The witness is the person who sees something happen and who can tell other people about it later. It's witness. For example, two witnesses stood up in the court and said that they had seen the criminal with blood on his hands. Again, two witnesses stood up in the court and said that they had seen the criminal with blood on his hands. Let's complete number 11, jury. Jury, a group of members or a group of people of the public in court of law who listen to facts about crime and decides if someone is guilty or not guilty. Again, jury, a group of people or a group of members of public in court of law who listen to the facts about any crime and they decide if someone is guilty or not guilty. For example, the jury voted in favor of the man if he was guilty or not. Let's complete sentence, and the sentence here is a verb. Sentence means to tell someone who has been found guilty of a crime what the punishment will be, and this word used about a judge. Again, sentence to tell someone who has been found guilty of a crime what the punishment will be. For example, the thief was sentenced to 6 months in prison. So it means went to the prison or sent to the prison to have his punishment. Let's complete. Confess. Confess means to admit that you have done something wrong. Again, confess. Confess means to admit that you have done something wrong. So easy. For example, my neighbor's son confessed that he had broken the window and offered to pay for the damage. The last one, poverty. Poverty as a noun means the state of being poor. When you are very poor, the state of being poor. Poverty has got worse since the beginning of the economic crisis. Again, poverty has got worse since the beginning of economic crisis. Let's see our practice. Number 1, he is alleged to have mistreated the prisoners. Alleged, the right answer. Number 2, the man space that he was forced to steal the painting. So the right answer is convinces. Yes. Number 3, the thief was given a 5 year prison sentence. A 5-year prison sentence. Number 4, the air hosts space the takeoff of the plane. So the right answer is yes. Announced. The last sentence, the student was space when he knew that he had succeeded with excellent marks. It means, yes, the right answer is overjoyed, and it means someone who's very happy. That's all. Thank you for your listening and goodbye.